In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background region on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to give your online store a fresh look or a novice just getting started, this straightforward guide will walk you through the process. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to visit your Shopify admin page. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and navigate to the dashboard of your store. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Settings option. This is typically found at the bottom of your left-hand sidebar. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a new page where all the essential configuration options for your store are housed. On this Settings page, you'll encounter various sections that help you manage different aspects of your store. What we're interested in today is changing the background region, so our focus will be on finding the Backup Region section. Now, the terminology might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's fairly intuitive once you get the hang of it. In the Settings section, look for the option that says Backup Region. Click on this option and it will open up the settings that allow you to modify the visual background of your store's dashboard. Why is this important, you may ask? Well, changing your background region allows you to tailor the appearance of your Shopify store to better match your brand's identity, or perhaps even the changing seasons or different promotional themes you might be running. As you explore the backup region settings, you'll find a range of customization options. Here's a tip. Spend a little time exploring these options to find a setting that perfectly encapsulates the look and feel you want your customers to experience when they interact with your store. Whether you opt for a minimalist look or a more vibrant design, this customization can significantly enhance the user experience. Remember, while aesthetics are crucial, it's also essential to keep your store visually aligned with your brand's message and goals. After you've selected your preferred settings and are satisfied with the preview, be sure to save your changes, and a simple click on the Save button ensures that your new background region is updated and live for your customers to enjoy. That's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through changing the background region of your Shopify store, enhancing its visual appeal in just a few easy steps. With this knowledge, you can continue to refine and perfect the visual elements of your online store and ensure a delightful shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.